Hi guys, we are going to... Where are we going, Daddy?
Huh?
Where are we going?
Myrtle Falls. We'll do a loop. So maybe like it's 2 hours and 30 minutes over there. To the Tua. Tapos ang pabalik lang siguro same time as airport.
Yes. So, we'll see you there and we're gonna take our mag-vloggerist ako dito
Say hi guys.
Hi guys. My dear Mama. My turn.
Your turn.
Your turn. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Now
Say-
welcome to my vlog.
I'm you the rock. My turn.
Your turn? No lang. Mommy only. No, it's mommy lang. Wala na. Nagmauwi na si Kaliltot. Nami patulong nami. 2 hour. Time check. Right now it's... Let's see. I didn't even makita. It's that. Right there. Muna siya ang time karon. So, let's go! Right, Dad? See you in a bit. Say, I'll see you in a bit, Khalil.
Go.
Now let's go.
My turn.
Now say let's go.
My turn.
Now say let's go.
My turn.
Can you say let's go?
My turn.
Now let's go.
Let's go.
Good job.
Okay, I'll see you later again.
My turn.
Hi guys, naanami sa update. Update sa day guys. Naanami diri as ako inumklo. You see that ano dara guys? Di man ako ni zoom in guys. Pero kita ka na guys. Dara guys. Dara mi mo to. How are you doing there, Danny? Chill lang man kayo. Kaon lang man ang person.
We still have 1 hour and 48 minutes.
We still have 1 hour and 48 minutes. Mag-food trip kami dito guys. You know, mag-ano namin dito guys. Manawang malang mga house dito guys. So, mga gwapo kayo. So, kabali at ako ginani guys, no? Kanina na lang oh. Gwapo kayo lang mga house dito guys.
Backcountry.
Kaya akong gusto ko.
Lagi.
Countryside ni siya sa ang ano guys. Kaya naman mi sa city life. City life ang good may guys. Manang dili kina ma-appreciate ang inani. Dili kina ma-appreciate ang inani pero ano, why not, diba? In the future di ay kasi like hatag sa mo ni ganinana, diba? So hulat-hulat lang ta guys kay, you know, wala pa may driver's license ang person. Ang driver's license ako guys, ay nako, kasi maabot na tag-isla call me na wala ko na sinani. Asig mo kuhan ka po kayo dali guys. So tanaw po guys, oh. Tanaw ng balay guys. kanang osig mo nga ra ka di pag Friday na mo that syempre 12 man ko mo out no. Osig mo diretso na may ni Khalil to sa camping ko.
Yeah, 1,000 pa lang. Hapas lang.
Oh, niya may nga dapat magkuha ko ano dan
Ano siya?
gun.
Yo lang. Mo na akong plano gid. Duha ka pusil 10mm imuha magkuha. Kailangan pa nato mo kuha ano.
Glock.
No, not Glock me. Katawan na sa grill me.
Excuse me. Really? Unsa man ang kuan?
10mm.
Gusto na ko mag-shooting ta.
Yeah, mo gani mo palit ko.
Shooting ka na?
Tabangan mo ni
Excuse me.
Tabangan mo ni Kuya Balong magbuwag si PL.
Yeah, ay dapat kailangan niyo muna siya ikuan daw.
Kita ginduha. Di mag-test mo na. Kuatag si PL duha tapos kuatag duha ka.
Kailangan bili mo na siya ano, sa taga na
10mm. Kitagkuha naman namin.
Tanawa guys, na Filipino dre guys. Hello.
Diba? Dili lang ato ang may kuan. Nagkaingin sila. Nag-deforestation.
To anami. Unsa da nagkaingin?
Kaingin, deforestation are the same.
Oh. Yan ni siya dre guys. Muna yung countryside sa Seattle. There's one that I really want to go that earlier. I want to go Leavenworth, but maybe next time.
Matutapon ko na ng kuan mag-ilis kili yung tatag kuan. Mag-ilis to og ligid og suspension gani.
Okay guys, later na po. We'll be back later guys. Okay. Kay kuan guys. Aron stay no battery. So later again, right daddy?
Yep.
And Kalil Tot, say bye guys!
Guys.
Bye guys daw. Bye guys! Hi Dad! Now we are here. Hi Kalil! Are you sleepy? Gwapo ka dito guys. Right over here.
Nakita ni Ma'am?
Wala. Too late. We are here.
Tara.
You see that one, guys? Are you okay, Dad?
We're here at Steven Canyon Entrance, Mount Rainier National Park. Magbayad mo sa diri. Pila ka?
So we're here sa kuan, guys. Nami diri sa Mount Rainier Park. So magbayad tag $30. Walk-ins. Mount Rainier annual passenger vehicle daw doon. So asa man taan na sa 30?
Yeah. Most likely $30. So, what's up? Thank you for the livery, madam.
Madam. Madam ka
Oh,
na.
see, oh. Grabe yung
Kwarta, guys.
So,
Tax na ko na,
so muna guys, before mo matug Mount Rainier National Park, nasa likod.
Uy, kuan, Dad.
See, pwede mo sila kuan debit po
Debit lang ko.
or credit. So,
Wala na
we're gonna pay here and then we're gonna update you after this one. Okay? See ya.
So, nakabayad mi guys og $30 for balik siya until 11. Siya guys.
Kuha na siya. Siya na siya.
So,
What's that for?
This is basically kuan siya guys. Past na mo.
Yeah.
Pag ticket na mo ba para
You're past to like
7 days 7-day vehicle. Entrance ni siya guys.
para makapark ka any site na inside sa Mount Rainier National Park. So you have to pay this one for $30.
So I'm gonna go pee really quick and I'll see you guys. just use the bathroom.
So let's go.
Let's go! We are here, guys. It's init, guys. So, but yeah, guys, like what I said, nanatod rin sa sulod sa Mount Rainier. Padrong Mount Rainier, I meant. Palit may ticket para makasulod tra or entrance na siya. Entrance pay siya, guys. So, na siya karon excited na mga unami sa tuktok. Makita na mo pinaka-close ang Mount Rainier, di ba tan? So,
it's close.
very close. Manang view na mo pag magkaon may picnic me, guys. And of course, enjoy the view. Enjoy the ride. Muna siya, guys. It's so, kung ano siya, unplanned na gala. Okay, birthday ni Daddy. This is a celebration to Daddy's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy ko.
Thank you, Mommy.
Of course, and look at that, guys. So, muna siya, guys. Ang kuan. Pasaka na siya, guys. Paingon dito. Yeah. Sa mga gilid-gilid, guys, na siya yung mga creek. So, guys. So, I'll see you in a bit over there, okay? Okay, say bye, Dad.
Right. So that we can see the best view from Kuan. US Park Ranger. We have the passes, so we're fine. 2 hours si Mount Rainier.
Oh my God! Wait lang.
Mount Rainier. Hi, Mount Rainier.
Oh my God. That's not Rainier. Yes. This is the time right now. Oh, I see.
To reach the Kuan.
Oh my. Look at those.
Klaro na jud kayo ang mountains. So, oh my God.
Oh, right there. Oh, the Mount Rainier.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, shit.
Ay guys, maklaro na yun mo, guys. Dili na siya blur, guys. Hindi na siya foggy.
I mean, di na siya, yeah.
Over there. You
Oh,
can
it's that.
now, if you
Yeah,
go
yeah.
look at here, Dad. If you go look at there, look, the Mount Rainier on the other side, right there, behind. Right there, look at that row. See?
Wow.
You right there!
Very much.
Right there!
Look at the mountain. Yeah. Let's go.
Look at that!
Yeah, but the road is so.
Look at that, guys! Look at that! Look at that beautiful Mount Rainier.
Yeah, you see the mountain, right? Not oh, the Mount Rainier.
Look at that, guys.
Oh my God.
Can you still drive that?
Huh?
Can you still drive?
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh my God! I can't believe. Yeah, look at that! That's Mount Rainier!
Yeah, that's Mount Rainier. We will do a little hike today, Nakmak. So yeah, Papa better prepare. Yeah, I know.
Look at that, guys. Oh.
Crazy view.
Very crazy. Imagine, guys, vulkan na siya. No?
So, oh my God. Fully pa kayo. My God. Oh no, so diri lang sila ni Kuan.
Pero mo po mabaktas to.
at that, oh. A big.
Wala pa
Darami,
siya
oh.
natunaw, no?
Dara, oh. Nahihay ka na, no? Sa kitawagan na dara. Oh, sa tawag na? Lewis Lake.
Lewis Lake.
So this is our first time being here.
Yes. That's our first time, and that's why we're looking like enjoying the view, enjoying the mountains. Right, Khalil? Say hi. Say hi, Khalil.
Oh, time.
Hi. Oh, right there, Dad. Did you see that?
They call it Sunbeam Creek.
Oh my God! Look! Oh wow, Lake Daddy, right there.
Yeah, that's the big lake. Lewis Lake. That's the Lewis Lake, May.
Oh my God, that's so nice. Lake dyan na siya, Dad.
Nasa right side.
Ay, gani. Lake lang dyan na siya.
Oh, muna lang hike kon. Tara, may mga tao sa puso.
Yeah, I see it. That's nice. Reflection Lake.
You'll see the reflection lake. Muna siya itong nasa Seattle.
Right there. Look at that.
Kana muna siya. They took a picture on that one and they put it in the this one way right here.
That's the one.
Yeah. Do you see this one?
Yeah. Right there,
Mapit
oh.
pa ta? Dili na. Dito lang ta dito.
Diretso na lang dito. Unya na ta mo.
Yeah, pwede mo na ito na i-drive balik, tapos balik na punta. 10 minutes away naman po sa kuan. Sa katong tako nga parking nga
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Pinnacle Creek. Kapita? Dili. Magpar siya.
That taga siya space.
Yeah.
Nice.
Balik lang ta dali.
Yeah, balik lang. Pwede mo mandari yung park. Oh, look at that.
Ay, kita mo po na to. Okay na sa'yo. Yan o. Wala na po tayo kung anong po sunod pa.
Ito.
Yan, sunod na. Mag-stop, i-hike, stop, i-hike. Yan o.
Yeah. Look at those guys.
So, morning, like most of the visitors here, what they're doing is if the main kuan, I don't know, I forgot the place, the name of the place. Nga park ka nimo nga mountaineer, sa mountaineer na gyud. If it's full, like fully packed, bababa sila, then mo to mangita lang sila spot.
Look at
My
that,
God.
Dad.
Kita nimo sa kuan mo. I think we need to stop here.
Let's stop here, Daddy.
I'm gonna stop here.
Stop it, Dad. Oh. Kana.
Battery.
Oh, look at that. Kani dali ni.
Eh. Dali na. Naog sa taga dali.
Excited ang mga parents.
Put this one here. Here. Then ibabagamay ang kuan. Let's go. Tulong sa. Nana mi diri. Mountaineer. Hi, Mami. So, we'll do a quick stop. Guys, so Mountaineer. Ha? Bantay ha. Bantay ha kay Naikar. Sina, let's see. Wow. What that?
Actually. Okay, don't move, okay?
Kuan man kay ni dim man kay ni kuan. What happened to this your phone? Kuan lagi.
Kalin, look at Papa. Look at Papa. Look at that.
Matangkat mo. Sabi mo kuan sa
Bye guys. Guys.
Nadi pa gini siya mao tong stop overan na to ni.
Yeah, but this is only first stop.
Bye bye mountain. Bye bye me.
Bye bye.
Picture picture lang mi.
Picture me guys.
Papa Mountain.
Say bye bye to mountain.
Bye bye sa mountain.
Papa Mountain.
Look at that guys. Mountain niya na siya guys. Sa taas na din na siya anak dad.
Hmm? Oh, nani crater. I don't know kung sa ka-open ang crater na kung kasaka. Ay, wala pa ko na. Sorry, man.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Yo, na siya mountain niya dre guys. Tok no. Turo guys, so mountain niya. Ay, dili pa tayo na. Mo na ba na? Mo na siya guys. Pinaka the best na itong antoan karon guys na view. In a couple minutes guys, okay? I'll see you in a second! Bye bye!
Wow, wait a minute. Damn. First time ko na muna tog national sa Mount Rainier agad guys. So, nanga-igno ba?
Guys,
Pag video po siya mo sa cellphone.
nag-video mong kontra.
Parang napipost niya.
Yes. Birthday sa... tara na oh.
Oh, kana dara mo na ata dara.
Yes! Nanami sa... Dito.
Bawal mo ata mo sulod.
Ha? You'll see it guys. Watch, watch. Dun, 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 dun! Nanami dali guys.
Alto. Sorry to. Tagdilipon no.
Tara guys. Oh, sus.
Kung dili, on apo no. Dili ta mo park sa ubod.
Imagine dali no. Nakaya naga-wonder that. Naga-hike.
Ano na sila oh. Magkaya pa sila.
Sa Mount Rainier?
Yeah. Ay, Mount Rainier, yeah.
Damn. You can't do not enter.
Dito sa Picas. Mali lagi yung spot. Paunan na lang. Parking lot.
Parking lot and over there then.
Dito masuk. Ay, pwede na dito.
Head northeast
Look
toward
at that,
Paradise
guys.
Valley Road South, Paradise Valley Road East.
Oof.
Head north toward Paradise Valley Road South, Paradise Valley Road East.
Hi, Bob.
Dura na siya. Guys, ito niya. It's a prank. Open. Din. Wala pa dara na. Dara o, marag naman siguro yung mga baba.
Hmm?
Dara o.
Scan.
Mo na natuto niya.
Kita na to niya.
For sure.
Ang gira siya.
Visitor center.
Pagidalan ko to ang kuan. No, kahit na sila padung ron. Ang mga laagan. Okay na, vlogiris.
Hi guys, sana may dali sa ano guys. Mount Rainier. Want to meet sa visitor center?
Mhm.
Check out namin. You know.
Yeah, no, you have to walk. Nah, I'm not gonna carry you. Walk. Yeah. Yeah. I hear you. Mm. I told you, don't bring your dinosaur. Look, oh. So, pwede mo sa mga video dahil na? Hmm? Mami? Ha? Naman ka ng you are here.
Where?
Dad,
Yeah.
look at the dinosaur there.
Ano, mo na meron.
Papa.
So, asa man ta karon, Mami? Mami?
I don't know where we are right now.
So, it says, Mami.
Ito na ang walagi.
Mo na meron. So, me. So, paradise.
Paradise.
In visiting center, Jackson Visitor Center. So, the one we passed earlier is the lower parking lot, and we are here basically in the visitor. So, mo ni siya ang mga trail.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, mo ni yung mga trail na yung i-take me
Look
so that you can get closer and see the. I mean, basically you can see the
Mount
mountain
Rainier.
closer. So, mo ni siya.
the mountain.
Siya.
Mowick Lake. Mo ni oh. Katong
Ito nakita niya nina.
no sa Evans Creek ni. Mowick Lake ni. So, pinata ang kuan. Dara, you are here.
We are
So
here.
pwede na to ni i-take kanilang dere. So we can kuan sama.
What's that?
So dili na jud ka pwede ka sapa dili dan.
Pero mo na yung mga aro. You can go there. Gonna put your dinosaur, okay? Oh, there's a dinosaur in the mountain here.
Kani siya dad mo ni siya dad.
Yeah, you wanna hike it? Pwede na to ni i-take oh. Nasa na to? Malan. Let's go. We can take this one, the shorter one. So this is this one, so that we can have the best view.
Dinosaur. My friend is filling the top.
So you can't go up na jud ay no?
Huh? Yeah.
This?
Let's go. Before we eat.
Mommy, the cat.
Before we eat?
Mm-hmm. You wanna go upstairs first?
Mm,
Wow, yeah.
later na.
Oh, cat.
Let's go. Can you walk? Can you walk? Let's go.
What?
Hold your dino, okay? You can take that one, mate. It's not that one. Dili man siya pa, no?
Mhm.
Sus, bapunta dito natong ko ni Kali. Pwede rin nato
I know.
pwede po ta mga on the after. Tara, let's
Yeah.
go.
Okay.
Na take that one, okay ra ka?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Let's go. Come here. Para papa. Let's go. Let's go. Lena, come here.
Yeah, go up. We gotta go to the mountains. Yeah, go to the mountain. Go, go, go.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah, you can go over there. Go up. Sige. Good job. Oh, give me your dinosaur bag. Oh no? Okay. You got it? You got it? Are you sure?
Go na.
Huh? Wait, let Papa hold this one first, no, so that you can walk easily. Whoops. Yeah.
Ano bawal man ito?
Maybe you could get the car and pick up.
Wala ka nagtanog asa tamad to. Picture ang tanak to.
Adasa ka.
Kana si Kalika? Kana ha?
Hala, there's a bee, Lil.
Ha?
That's a bee. Yeah, you stay here lang. Talking. Come here. Come here. Right there, oh. Don't be scared. You scared?
Happy.
There's a bee there. Come here, this side. Okay, will it be here?
It's okay.
I don't know how many miles.
Khalil.
Pwede na ito ni i-hike ang Myrtle. Kanina rin. Myrtle Falls.
Okay, tara. Go. Walk. Walking in the... Where are you walking?
What's it?
Hmm?
What's it?
Where is it? We're
What
gonna
is
go
it?
walk out.
What is it to, mommy?
Oh, what is it?
What's it?
A bird.
Init kayo ang sandri, no?
We're not afraid. In the jungle. In the jungle. Listen. What's that? to a bird.
Listen.
Listen. What's that?
Gusto kong bata na da, di ba?
Listen.
Dad, balay na, Dan.
Listen. Listen.
Tulugan na na. Sige na, walk na.
Let's go.
Hurry up because...
Hello, Papa, come here. Let's go.
Thank you. Habang...
Oh, no. Okay.
No, ayun lang, Dad. Pabaktasa lang siya.
We made it, y'all.
No. Like this. So, doon ba yun? 0.4 miles. Dali, me. Come here. You have to. You wanna sit Papa here? Okay. Dali. Whoop. Hold lang. Nalagmulong ta ha?
Yeah.
Bum, bum, bum.
You tired? I'm tired. Oh, you're happy? That's good. Are you sad? Oh, you hungry?
What you said?
Why you angry? You know? You wanna walk?
Don't be scared. Ayan na, Dad. Oh.
Siya pa yung nangago. Mama. No, you cannot go there. Oy.
Ako nang i-off sa Dan. Or,
So magbaktas kami guys. Magtumitong souls. Ay, babus ka. Time nga. Ano sa drum? Oh. Wala ka na video?
nag-video. Hi, Jalil.
A falls. No, that's a falls. A falls. A falls. Go. Nah. Can you say, Mom? No, you cannot go there. Can you say, look at that, Mommy?
I'll be there in a second.
Okay.
Wala ko picture nun.
Picture lang taga.
Kaliya?
No.
Pariyabi mo naka-red og shoes na. Ay, shorts. Wow! Wait lang.
Nanay. Picture lang kita.
Not right near.
Instagram. One, two, three. Run! Slow. Run! Let's go! Can you run? Run!
Show that picture. Dad, si Kalin. Let's go walking.
Alam mo kay vlog? Yung mo yung vlog. Yung vlog. So, update.
Hi guys!
So, asam ta niya ito, me?
Nato mi dito sa falls, guys, sa viewpoint. And
Aha.
look siya, guys. And then una siya ang Mount Rainier. Look at this side. Look at this side, guys. That's Mount Rainier.
Aha. So, how many miles did we?
0.4.
0.5.
Ah,
Correction.
0.5.
Muna siya si Mount Rainier na, no?
Mount Rainier, guys. And then, may kalil na kiyat kayo. Na gusto niya mag-walking like me. Walking. Let's go.
Hey. Hop. Sundog po. Oh, no. Lolo. Stop na.
Hey, come here to mommy. Let's go walking.
So, saan naman natong ka? What's next kami? We will
Go down na and look at this one, you guys. Mani ang view. See that? And that's daddy. Say hi.
And then the dinosaur too. Na say hi. Oh.
And this is us. So let's go, guys. Walk with me. We're gonna go walking. The sun is very dull. Char lang. Let's go. Nagula pa sila dinosaur dito, guys. See that, guys? Right there. Yun muna ang Mount Rainier, guys. Kung gusto ka mag-hiking, guys, ano siya?
And then you have to be early so that you can get a
Parking spot here, guys.
The parking
Isod
spot
kaayo.
is first come, first serve.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to be early.
Karon, guys, unplanned man guni among ginabuhat ko karon, guys. Like, kung gusto na mo ato, helicopter. See that one?
Yeah, an helicopter.
Ano siya, guys? Kita ninyo, guys. Hindi niya makita, no? Helicopter, let's go. Let's go na. Khalil. Khalil. What happened? Let's go. Oh, sorry.
Hey, no, don't go there, Hey. Yeah, they're gonna be mad. Yeah, I see a lot of bees right there. You wanna go there?
Wala na siya guys. Inhanas siya permente.
Go. Go.
Hi Dad!
Shh, hey. Go.
Hi Daddy.
Hi. Time to change the battery.
Time to change the battery.
Gonna enjoy the
12%
view.
na lang.
We're going back to the...
Ikaw, baby. Hi Khalil. Hi. So guys, we're gonna end the vlog right here for now. We're gonna change the battery and then we're gonna enjoy the view. See you in a little bit. Bye bye. True Filipino. Walking in the where? Walking in the trail. Walking in the trail. Walking. You see flower? We're called. Oh, there's two of them.
Hi, T.
Hi, dear.
Hi, dear. Ay, ulan din.
Ano na raw ko dali?
How many deer?
Dadili na sila manghilabot dan. Wow. Wait lang dahil. I'm gonna take a picture. I see deer. Dad, basig mo sunod siya dad. Kurutan ako dati. Kurutan kayo.
Hi, squirrel. Hi, squirrel. Oh, wow. This little cool. So big.
Ay, hala.
Hi, squirrel. Hi, squirrel.
Don't scare that. Cause
Hi, squirrel. Hi, squirrel. Hi, squirrel. Hi, squirrel.
hi, squirrel.
Why don't Scary. Hi, squirrel.
Oh no.
Hi, squirrel.
Oh no.
I'm running.
Yeah. Don't touch the squirrel. Hala. Don't touch the squirrel or else. Hi guys. Nami diri guys. Mga oni og California roll. And talo na salad. And pancit. Favorite ni daddy. And
What else?
buko. And pa. Tikim kayo.
And tapos,
May strawberry ice cream, mugo-mugo, pan ng Pilipinas, bread.
tapos
And
itong
then
loto.
we're right in front of the beautiful Mount Rainier. Akong view kay si Khalil.
Oh, mga aon sa ta.
What's up, me guys? See you guys later.
Video, be? Khalil?
find you.
Hi. Shh, come here, oh. Can you say hi?
Hi, friend. How are you?
Oh no. Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Yeah, where's Mama? Oh no.
Fun to do in September, right? That's crazy. Probably felt pretty good today.
Over here.
No? No? Are you sure? Mama's right there? Are you sure that Mama's right there?
So, you saw the snow. Did you see any animals?
Yeah, right now we just saw some deer.
Oh,
Yeah, right now we have deer. Yeah, we saw them.
Find Mama. Where's Mama?
chipmunks. Yeah.
Oh no. No, Mama's not right. Uh-oh. Where's Mommy? Uh-oh. Where's Mommy? Go, 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 go. Ha? Nakaihi ka? Malingit ko. Mami. Hi. Hi.
Reach out. Reach out.
You gonna go with Dad?
Reach out.
Dad, buba dyan mo. No. We're near guys to the Hi. Hi, let's go walking. Walking in the rain. Walking in the rain. What's the weather today? What's the weather?
Huh?
What's the weather?
Ah!
Is it sunny or is it cloudy?
It's me.
Huh? Let's wait for Daddy over there. Oh. Hi guys. Ali, let's wait for Daddy. Go. Go. Come, here, sit down here. Hi guys. So karon guys, nahuman nami og kuan walking, hiking. Walking, hiking sa Marinier. So we're heading home. We will upload our videos tonight. Pictures, videos. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Last, show our beautiful mountain, Dad. Mount Rainier. So muna siya guys, and yeah, thank you guys, and please click and share. I-share, i-click, i-subscribe ang akong channel guys, kay mag-vlog na. Actually, like, share, and subscribe. Diba? Right now guys, it's already 6:04. If you see it, 6:04 guys. So you know, I'm gonna go head home because tomorrow is another day, another wonderful adventure. So, bye guys, bye for now, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Continue for 36 miles.
Hi guys, we're gonna head the road right now because you know it's getting darker. It's getting dark now because it's already 6.
We have how many hours?
We have 2.5 hours, I believe, na magkuhan. It's already 6:14, so we're gonna hit the road now because you know
It's getting dark.
it's getting dark. I know there's a lot of sun, but of course it's darker now. It's a view that's another side of Mount Rainier, you guys. So that's what it looks like, and that's Daddy. And now we're going down. Thank you guys for coming along with us.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. Bye bye. And wait lang, that's the Mount Rainier right there. Wait lang. Let's take a picture of rain. Okay. Well, bye bye guys. I'll see you guys later, alligator.